Beyond Burger Jalfrezi. This is gonna be epic, epic curry time. Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Bosh Boys vlog. Ian's not here today, I'm all on my own, so I am cooking for me and MJ, and I'm going to be cooking us a Jalfrezi. This is the most incredible curry. It's the Curry House Jalfrezi from our Bish Bash Bosh book. I'm making it with a twist. Curry with Beyond Burgers. That's right. Over here we have 2 Beyond Burgers. These are really, really tasty, meaty, and they're going in the curry. Also, this curry has a cute little hack which lets you create loads of stock which you can then freeze and gives you a really quick curry in the future. Before we get started, I'd just like to thank you all for hanging out with us once more. We're loving these daily vlogs. Do let us know what you're thinking of them in the comments down below. Also your experiences of cooking curries or other Bosh dishes, we'd love to hear those too. And of course, the How to Live Vegan book is available to pre-order right now. We'd love it if you'd go grab yourself a copy. We'll pop a link down in the description or in the bio. Now, let's get cooking. The first step is to sweat down some onions because we're gonna be making a stock that is separate to our main curry. The secret here, turn that sound off, make it nice and quiet. There we go. The secret to this curry is in the stock. So we make an onion stock first, which we then blend. And that gives us a really smooth, creamy texture to the curry. We're actually gonna double up on the stock and save some for later. So we've got another quick curry tomorrow if we want it. These onions have been sweating for a good 10-15 minutes. Ginger and garlic paste. Now, a load of you are probably thinking, where do I get ginger and garlic paste? You can make it yourself. You can also buy it from an Asian supermarket, which will save you a lot of grating time. Next, add some spices. Coriander, cumin, fenugreek, turmeric, and paprika. Now we're gonna add some water to the pan and allow to simmer. This is our curry stock. This is what people would make in a curry house. And it's how come in a curry house they can get you a curry so fast. It's because they've got their own brand of stock that they make and they get it just right. This is gonna go in a blender and we're gonna get it really smooth, really creamy, so that our curry will be really creamy. And we blend. Look at that. That is the stock that we made. So this is like a kind of thick, creamy onion soup almost with some spices. This is gonna give the curry its lovely creamy texture. And I've doubled up this recipe. So half of it is going in the freezer for another day. These are Beyond Burgers. These are made entirely from plants. It's incredible. Now we're just gonna chop these up into bite-sized chunks to kind of replicate the like meat that you'd get in a curry. Maybe some lamb or some pork. Here we have some aubergines that we roasted in the oven for about 15 minutes. They're going in with the Beyond Burger to form the bulk of the curry. Now that stock is made, the rest is gonna be so fast. So we're just gonna do one take while I make this curry. Check this out. Extractor fan on. Warm oil, onions. We've got a wok, which makes it really nice to just toss. I can just coat everything. In there, I'm gonna add my peppers. And chili peppers. Little sprinkle of salt. Let them soften. Next, some more ginger and garlic. Smells incredible. Some coriander stalks. Oh, smells fresh, smells peppery. And you get this instant green colour. Look at that, we're almost ready for a curry already. Now we're going to go in with some spices. Now we add our stock. Remember this bad boy? There we go. Just have a look in that pan. See how we've got an instant curry sauce there? Absolutely gorgeous. Now a little bit of tomato puree. Stir that in. That is already looking like a curry right there. That took about 3 minutes. Now we're gonna add our aubergine from before. We roasted this for 15 minutes. And we're gonna add a Beyond Burger to this curry. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be incredible. Stir that through. Now I'm gonna add a little bit more water to this to get the rest of that lovely stock out and loosen this a bit more. Heat up to high. Stir it through. There you have it. That is a banging Jalfrezi. That took us 5 minutes. This is curry house quality. And the reason curry houses can make you a curry so quickly is because they have a stock, just like I showed you before. This recipe is in our book. It's also available online if you search BISH BOSH Curry House Jalfrezi. But we'll put the link in the description and in the bio. Now I'm gonna plate this up and we're gonna have some tasty food. Stir through cherry tomatoes for freshness and a little bit of fresh coriander. Gorgeous Jalfrezi curry, absolutely delicious. Here's the curry, here's some brown rice. Here we've got a couple of pickles as well. We've got mango chutney, lime pickle, and of course the obligatory poppadom. I made a cheeky little raita as well. That's in the first Bosch book. And there is MJ's portion left over. Fork test. Oh, look at that. That is incredible Beyond Burger in a Jalfrezi curry. Delicious. So naughty. Wow. This is an incredible recipe. You can find it online. You can find it in Bish Bash Bosh as well. That's it for today's video. I really hope you've enjoyed today's Bosch vlog. It's been fun to cook with you. And of course, we're going to be doing these every single day. So you can expect another one tomorrow. Do let us know your thoughts down in the comments below. Give it a like if you liked the video. Bish Bash. Also, got to give a massive shout out to MJ for helping film this one. Thank you, MJ.
All the cleaning.
And cleaning. She was great.